So go to Jetpack and select Dashboard from it. From here go to Recommendations and then we have Site Accelerator option, enable it from this button. Once enabled, go to Settings, here we have Performance and Speed. Here, turn on all these options. When we turn it off, all three will be disabled together. So turn it on and here it says, Site Accelerator is now speeding up your site. So this is how you can use WordPress Jetpack Site Accelerator. So from your WordPress dashboard, select Settings from Jetpack. Here first you have Security Settings. Here we have Downtime Monitoring, in which you will get alerts if your site goes offline. Click on this Connect your WordPress.com account button. Then on this page, connect with WordPress or Google. We will select this Continue with Google button and here enter your email, and next your password to log in. Once done, they will authorize your connection. Then turn on this Get Alert option. And here you can see your settings will be updated accordingly. So from your WordPress dashboard, select Settings from Jetpack. From here select Traffic. Here you have Related Posts, turn it on to show related content at the bottom of each post. These settings won't apply to related posts added using the block editor. Then you can see Preview. Also turn on this Highlight Related Content with a heading and show a thumbnail image where available. You can see Preview as you make changes in settings. As you turn it on and off the preview changes accordingly. So this is how you can show related posts with WordPress Jetpack. So from your WordPress dashboard, select Settings from Jetpack. From here select Sharing, then turn on this option to add sharing buttons to your posts and pages. Then click on Configure your sharing buttons link. Here you have configuration options. Click on this Edit Sharing Buttons, here select all the social sharing buttons you want. As you click on them, it will add in the list above. Then you can reorder them from here. Just drag and drop them to their respective places. Then first close this panel. Next we have Button Style, you can go with icon only and see how it will look like. Or you can select text only, or official buttons. Select the one you like, check this to show like button, which would look like that and save changes. Next we have options to show like and sharing buttons on. Select posts and pages and more if you want and save changes. Once done, now go to Demo and select Visit Site. On your site, open one of your posts and you can see that social sharing buttons has been added in it. And they are just like the one we have selected. You can select them for more options from here. Going back, you need to turn on this Add Sharing Buttons to your posts and pages option. Thank you for watching.